Hi there, Melanie Black from Student Futures. I am coming to you today with some tips for note-taking. I know that note-taking can be very overwhelming for students. It can cause a lot of stress, and that's understandable considering the amount of information that is being thrown at you in just one class. So I wanted to give you some tips on how to manage that stress and hopefully not get so overwhelmed. So first thing, I want you to think about your favorite color. What is your favorite color? Mine is blue, and I like to write in blue. Whatever your favorite color is, if there is a pen that you can use in that color to take notes with, please do that. If not, that's okay. That's okay. But do write in a color that you like. If you don't like black, then write in a different color. These are your notes, so keep in mind you can do what you want with these. You're not being graded on your notes. You are not writing an official essay that is to be graded later. So write in whatever color you want. As long as your notes are legible, then you're good to go. So favorite color, that's first thing. Next thing, so that you're not so overwhelmed when that professor or teacher is talking a million miles a minute, I want you to practice abbreviating. This is where your texting language comes in very handy. So think about when you're texting your friends and how you text them. Do you text in complete sentences? Probably not. If you do, though, then kudos to you. But think about the abbreviations that you use while texting. So I want you to try and use abbreviations in note-taking. And I have some examples for you. So here we go. You can come up with your own abbreviations, but these are just some ideas that I thought might help you. So for example, the @ symbol, times when you're talking about 2 times something happened twice, you can just put 2x. So there's lots of ideas here. You think about how you can abbreviate people's names. For example, my name. If I was telling you, if you were taking notes right now and I told you my name is Melanie Black, you could just write MB. If you don't think you're going to remember my name, you could write Mel Black, M Black, whatever you are comfortable with. But you know yourself and you know how you remember things or don't. But when you are taking notes in class, try to abbreviate as much as possible, because when that teacher or professor is talking and they're talking really fast, you can't keep up if you're trying to write every little thing out. So abbreviation is definitely key. And next thing I want you to think about, when you go home and you are reading over your notes, I want you to find, once again, colors that you like. Highlighters. It could be colored pencils, it could be markers, it could be pens, doesn't matter, but find some kind of writing utensil in colors that you like. And I want you to make your notes pop. We are visually stimulated by color, and you have to create notes that you will be stimulated by. That way when you study them, stuff will stick. So I want you to write all over your notes. Remember, they're your notes. You can write in the margin, you can write all over the place. It does not matter. You can draw symbols everywhere. It doesn't matter. They're your notes. You are the only person who has to use them, and they are your future study tools for those exams and midterms. Remember that. So you want to make them good. You can use question marks, stars, any kind of symbol that you can think of. If you remember your teacher or professor emphasizing a particular person, event, or term, take that highlighter or pencil or marker, highlight it, underline it, whatever you need to do. But make your notes pop out at you as much as possible, and it will help you retain that information as well. So that is all for today. And I am leaving you with one challenge. I want you to take your favorite color this week, and I want you to use it in some way, shape, or form with your notes. Whether you take notes in that color, highlight later in that color, put symbols, draw, whatever, I challenge you to use your favorite color in your notes in some way. All right, I wish you the best of luck in the upcoming week. See you next time.